How's it going, everyone? Meaty Trucker here. As you might have guessed by the title of the video, we're doing something a little bit different. This week and last weekend, I went and did a toy haul from my good friend Zach at Z's Toy Shop here in Seguin. I'm going to do an unboxing today of Bandai Monster Roar Attack. This is the Godzilla -1 color model. I'm also going to show you a couple other things I got from the shop, but let's get this thing opened up real quick because I want to see it. Alright, let's see. This is going to look good up on my shelf. Nothing extra in the box. More tape. Looks like a blob for right now. Open this up. Look at this. Look at them thighs. This is super cool. I don't think there's any moving parts. Yeah, there's no moving parts. But, yeah. This is super cool. He's definitely going up on the shelf. Oh, I think that's what this part is for. And of course, it's in a separate compartment of this bag. Yeah, this is a piece for his tail to fit in. Because when it sits, it kind of goes like that. So I think this goes. Yeah, I think it goes about like this. Yeah, so that way he has a good seating pad. So that way he stands upright. Oh, this is so cool. Look at that. This is awesome. This was well worth the money. Yeah. I'll show you where he's going on the shelf after this video. But I also picked up the official pop-up book for Godzilla, which if you're on my Instagram, you'll see it, that I posted all the pictures of it, but I'll show you in this video real quick. Might as well. And my cat is full crackhead mode right now, and he's playing with all my stuff. But that's alright. So if you hear bell ringing and feet pattering, that's him. There he goes. Alright, so Cthulhu, can you not? He's being a very bad kitty. He's been a very bad kitty lately. You've been bad. Do you like Godzilla? Do you like Godzilla, Cthulhu? Yeah? Okay, get down. So yeah, Godzilla pop-up book. Check this out. This is so cool. And by the way, I'll post a link on my the description of my Instagram. But yeah, check this out. Yeah, that's so cool. Look at it. That's awesome. So let's fold him back up. Now the next page has all like the kaiju classifications. I haven't opened up the top secret thing. I'm gonna leave that. But look, it's got a Godzilla, the Mecha Godzilla. he's fighting in the background there. And then here we have Monster Island. Of course, half of it's phasing out because it's green. And then, which I didn't, they pop out and then they have little bios on the back. That's so cool. So we've got Godzilla, Mothra, Rodan, Manila, Gigan, Hedra. I can never pronounce these right. Angry, I can't pronounce his name. The damn hedgehog-looking motherfucker. I can't remember his name. Can't pronounce his name. Mecha Godzilla and King Ghidorah. So this is really cool. And then here, this one, I gotta be careful here. You got a thing of Godzilla fighting King Ghidorah, the city. And then here's Mothra. You can't really see. It's better picture quality on my Instagram if you really want to look. But yeah, then the back page has the imprint. This is so cool, dude. I'm gonna put this back up real quick. And finally, the last thing that I picked up from Z's shop. Picked up a Gundam. Now, I didn't build them. I feel like it's a little sacrilegious to have a Gundam that you hadn't built, but it is what it is. I wanted him, so I got him. Now, I'm not sure exactly which suit type this one is, or from what show. Someone in the comments, please let me know. I like building and collecting the Gundams, but I'm not terribly into the anime. I watched all of Origins. I want Char's suit, the red suit. That's my next Gundam that I want to build. But other than that, I'm not too well versed on the anime. I know a little bit of the lore, but that's about it. I'm still a newbie when it comes to Gundams, but it makes me happy. So, well, all right. That's about all I have for you right now. I'm gonna end this off with a picture of my shelf. It's actually right behind me in my green screen, so you'll be able to see what my setup and all my collectibles. You know what? Real quick, just while I have you, just gonna show off a little bit. Check it out. Godzilla 85 and Godzilla versus Megalon. So VHS too, and I do have a VHS player. I haven't gotten around to watching Godzilla versus Megalon though, so maybe this weekend. That might be what I do this weekend. You never know. But alright, like I said, this was a little bit different video. Hope you all enjoy it. Let me know if you want more stuff like this. Please like and subscribe. And shout out to Z's Comic Shop. Catch you later.